we divide 791 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 9 and it is 29. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 1 and it is 41. So 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 791 divided by 5 is 158 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.